St. Peter's Basilica is one of the largest and most renowned churches in the world. It stands on the site where St. Peter, one of Jesus' apostles and the first pope, is believed to be buried. Construction of the basilica took over a century, starting in 1506 and being completed in 1626. This attraction is also a significant pilgrimage site for Catholics and plays a central role in papal ceremonies. St. Peter's Square, directly in front of the basilica, features a grand colonnade designed by Bernini, symbolising the church's open arms to all. The basilica can accommodate over 60,000 people and is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Want more mind-blowing facts about the world's best attractions? Subscribe to our channel now.